Hi guys, we are at Disneyland in California. I bought a Winnie the Pooh hat in Hot Topic and I'm wearing it today. It is so cute, but it's not comfortable, so I just wear a little bit. It's early in the morning and the park just opened. The first thing we do is to buy some Starbucks drink. The line was so long even though it's very early in the morning. This is the cutest Starbucks I've ever gone. Show your ear. Show your ear. Wow, so cute. Our drinks are ready. Oh, look at the cup. It has like Disney Park and it has like Mickey. My husband ordered iced matcha latte with coconut milk and I ordered I don't remember the name of this drink, but it's very popular. Whenever we go to Disneyland, he always needs to eat matcha latte because it keeps him to have energy for a whole day. For me, I always want something that's very refreshing, so I ordered this pink drink and it looks so beautiful and cute too. It is good. Really good. Yeah, it tastes good and very refreshing. My husband eats something for breakfast here. He said he liked it, so I think it's good. I didn't try it anyway. I just have a drink. Usually I don't like the food at Disneyland much. We found a duck and my husband loved it. He just played with the duck for no reasons. I don't know why, but he tried to talk with the duck. The duck will not understand him. I don't know why he do that.
Around on the monorail, and then once you depart from the monorail, you can just hop on into more.
This is the first time we try Disneyland Railroad.
Oh my god, you are my savior.
Yeah, that one's that. We're the first ones. The complete.
We wanted to be the first one, so we waited here before it's actually open. But this train is just a test. I think they test it before the actual train, so we could not go on this train. My husband was so disappointed because he was so excited. He's like, oh, we'll be the first one, we'll be on train with no one, but no, we just can look at it. We cannot go on this train. Now we have to wait for the next train. We have been to Disneyland many times, but the Disneyland Railroad is always temporarily closed, and today is the first day that is open again. So we really excited. My husband was sad for 10 seconds because the trains already had a lot of people, so we're not the first one.
Need to be turned off at this time, and do not disturb the wildlife. Once your next stop is back to Main Street, USA.
it feels very relaxing and very peaceful here.
The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of
I love
nature's
it
own
because
country.
I'm so tired of walking everywhere in Disneyland, and I really need to just sit down, have a rest, and look at the sceneries and do nothing.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado.
Oh, it's not a normal railroad or a normal train. It actually has something.
No tome fotos.
Wow, it's so cool.
USA. Please remain seated to come to full complete stop. If this is your stop, please get your belongings at one step as you exit. If you're exiting here, please be aware that this station has no stairs. No ramps or elevators, it's stairs only, so please keep your shoulders near your before you reach the bottom of the stairs. You'll be back within one. Hope to see you again real soon. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
So the train go inside and then outside, and then it go to this station to the next station. So if you don't want to walk too much, you can go to the train. It will take you to the next station and you don't have to walk so far.
We're now entering the bayou. Some of the land we're passing over are the bee's knees. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventure. As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop. Remember,
We are now arriving at Mickey's Toontown Depot, your gateway to Fantasyland. Don't forget to be fully seated until the train is made. And please stop inside the station and will conduct your sense step out of the train.
this is Toontown Depot, Mickey's Toontown.
Now we go back to our train station, and there's nothing much on the way there. It's just trees and trees. We arrived, so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.